Hi everyone, a very warm welcome to Look Gorgeous. In this video, I'm gonna recreate this look. It is gonna take only 2 minutes of your time. So it's a perfect look for your everyday. And also you can simply change the color of your lipstick or skip the eyeshadow so that you can make it more neutral, and you can definitely go ahead and make it more glam up by using a nice base. First moisturize your face definitely, and after that or just apply your sunscreen, and after that I'm just applying white tone face powder. You can take any face powder that you have, but I just love the white tone face powder. It just helps in making the face very glowing. It stays on for 3 to 4 hours as well. And then I'm just applying the metallic silver eyeshadow all over my eyelids. This is from Swiss Beauty Sketch Eyeliner. It has a one side sketch and one side metallic eyeshadow, so you can definitely apply any other neutral eyeshadow or skip that as well, depending on your choice and also as per your time. Then just applying the normal eyeliner on my upper lash line only, and making a little very thin wing, very simple one. And if you want, you can also apply a little bit of mascara on your upper lashes so as to give your lashes a little bit of definition. Then I've taken the Swiss Beauty highlighter blush palette. It has highlighter as well as blush, so it's really easy to use. You can simply apply using your fingers like the way I'm doing and blend it up using your fingers. And in case you have a brush as well, then just swirl the brush in the palette and blend it on your blush line on your face, just to give your face a little bit of glow, and so that your cheeks have that beautiful flush of color and they don't look pale. And then to match the color of your dress, apply the lipstick which is matching to the dress color obviously. And I have here used Swiss Beauty lip cream in the shade 01 Dry Chili, and it's the best lipstick ever which one can have. It has the best formula ever, just like that Kylie Velvet lipstick, but a little bit on the matte side. And then I'm just applying the highlighter from the same palette on the bridge of my nose, on my cheekbones, and also on the cupid's bow, just to give my look a little more beautify just to make my look more beautify. And that's it for this video. It's a really simple look. You can definitely try it up. Thank you so much for watching. Love you guys so much, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Till then, take care, look gorgeous.